New house, new internet, or just a long overdue upgrade? In this year, Verizon has made router setup nearly plug and play. Whether you're on blazing fast Fios or the latest 5G home gateway, getting online shouldn't take all day. And I'm showing you the official start method to get your home network live in under 2 minutes. And the first one is the hardware handshake. So first, let's look at your connection type. For Fios Fiber, connect the Ethernet cable from your ONC to the WAN port on your router. If you have Fios TV, you'll also need to screw in the coax cable. For 5G home internet, placement is everything. Use the 5G compass in the My Verizon app to find the window with the strongest signal. Then plug in the adapter. Then your router will flash white and red for up to 5 minutes. Do not unplug it. It's automatically downloading the latest security firmware. And once the light turns solid white, you're technically online, but we need to lock it down. Open My Verizon app on your phone. Scan the QR code on the bottom or back of the router. This instantly pairs your phone and lets you rename your Wi-Fi and set a strong password. Also, pro tip, if you're replacing an old router, you can usually name the new network the exact name as the old one, so all your smart home devices reconnect automatically. No manual repairing required. And your home is now a high-speed hub. If this Verizon guide helped you get back on the grid today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.